Welcome to livingpianos.com. I'm Robert Estrin presenting a vintage Mason Hamlin Model A grand piano made in the golden era, one of the great periods of Mason Hamlin's history. Before they were bought out by Aeolian, many people revere these pianos, and it is one of the greatest scale designs of any piano. At 5'8" long, you can't believe the sound this piano produces. We just had it rebuilt with new pinblock, strings, refinished, hammers, shanks, knuckles, the works, and it plays like a dream. So we're going to go right into some music. First, a movement of Bach's Fifth French Suite for you. The action is very fluid. It's on the lighter side, actually. And I want you to hear what happens when you really put energy into this piano, because it's remarkable. The warmth of the tone, the fatness and the richness is something unique to Mason and Hamlin. There are many reasons for that, from the design elements of the fat hardwood rims, both the inner and outer rim. These pianos are massive. They're really built. And they have the tension resonator system, metal bracing, as if the wood isn't enough. So listen what happens, putting a lot of energy, the beginning of Schumann's Carnival. It's almost impossible to get a harsh tone out of this piano. I'm going to end now showing the lyrical side and the beautiful sustain of the tone by playing the middle section of Chopin's Nocturne in B-flat minor. I know that all the piano technicians here just love Mason and Hamlin pianos. They are a beautifully designed piano, and this period in their history is noted for the rich tone and the quality of manufacturing, beautifully, masterfully rebuilt to perform and to look like new. Once again, I'm Robert Estrin here at livingpianos.com, your online piano store. If you like these videos, you're welcome to subscribe and ring the bell, and there'll be many more for you later on. We'll see you then.